Hello everyone, this is Michael again from Adams High Tech and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss that affects each one of us, the importance of backing up your data regularly on all of your devices. We often take our digital data for granted, but the truth is, it's incredibly valuable and needs proper protection. So, let's dive right in and explore why backing up your data is a must in today's digital world. Before we talk about backing up, let's take a moment to appreciate the value of our digital data. Our photos, videos, documents, and memories are all stored electronically. Imagine losing all of them in the blink of an eye due to an unforeseen event like a hardware failure or a virus attack. It can be devastating. That's why we must be proactive in safeguarding our data. Data loss can strike at any moment, catching us off guard. Whether it's a stolen device, accidental damage, or even a natural disaster, our precious data can disappear forever. Just think about those cherished family photos or important work files, gone in an instant. But fear not, there's a simple solution to avoid this nightmare: regular data backups. Why is regular data backup so crucial? Well, imagine this: you create a beautiful presentation or a personal video project that took hours of hard work. Without a backup, you're just one system crash away from losing it all. But with regular backups, you have a safety net. It's like insurance for your digital life. Now that we understand why backups are vital, let's explore some backup options available to us. There are cloud-based solutions like Google Drive, iCloud, or Dropbox, which offer convenience and accessibility. Additionally, external hard drives and USB storage devices provide a tangible way to back up your data offline. Setting up regular backups doesn't have to be a daunting task. Many devices and operating systems offer built-in backup features. You can schedule automated backups that run in the background, ensuring your data is protected without any effort from your end. Remember, consistency is the key. To further secure your data, consider redundancy. Redundancy means having multiple backups in different locations. This approach adds an extra layer of protection, especially against catastrophic events like fires or floods. It's always better to be safe than sorry. What if the worst does happen, and you lose your data despite all precautions? Don't panic. There are data recovery options available, but they can be costly and not always successful. Prevention is undoubtedly better than cure when it comes to data loss, so back up regularly. As we wrap up today's video, remember, backing up your data regularly is a small investment of time and effort that can save you from immeasurable stress and heartache in the future. Don't wait for a data disaster to strike. Take action today. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your digital life. Thank you for watching us here at Adams High Tech, and until next time, stay safe and keep those backups rolling. If you have any questions or backup tips you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Remember to share this video with your friends and family to spread awareness about the importance of data backups. For more information, visit adamshightech.com, and as always, take care and happy backing up.